Ready to step into the world of heart-pounding adrenaline and unimaginable risks? Brace yourself as we unveil the death-defying reality of the most dangerous jobs on the planet. Job 1. Commercial diving. Commercial divers work in extreme conditions, often at great depths, to perform tasks such as underwater welding, construction, and repair. They face risks like decompression sickness, hypothermia, and the potential for equipment failure. Interesting fact: commercial divers may work on offshore oil rigs, inspecting and repairing underwater structures. Job 2. Logging. Logging involves cutting down trees, operating heavy machinery, and working in unpredictable and challenging terrain. Workers are exposed to risks such as falling trees, heavy equipment accidents, and exposure to hazardous substances. Interesting fact: loggers have one of the highest rates of non-fatal injuries among all occupations. Job 3. Mining. Miners extract valuable minerals and ores from underground or open pit mines. They work in confined spaces, are exposed to harmful gases, dust, and noise, and face the risk of cave-ins, explosions, and long-term health issues like black lung disease. Interesting fact: miners have historically played a crucial role in shaping economies and have been the subject of numerous books and films. Job 4. Offshore fishing. Offshore fishermen face the perils of the open sea, working in adverse weather conditions and operating heavy equipment. They are at risk of accidents like vessel collisions, capsizing, and falling overboard. Interesting fact: fishing is considered one of the most dangerous occupations worldwide, particularly in regions with rough waters. Job 5. Bomb squad technician. Bomb squad technicians work to identify, disarm, and dispose of explosive devices. They are constantly exposed to the risk of explosions and must remain calm and focused under high-pressure situations. Interesting fact: bomb squad technicians use various tools, robots, and protective suits to safely handle explosive devices. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey into the world of extreme professions. If you're hungry for more adrenaline-pumping insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our upcoming videos, uploaded every other day. Remember, the world of dangerous jobs never sleeps, and neither do we.